What's up guys, it's your girl Karishma back again with another YouTube video just for you. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own homemade DIY costumes right in your own home. Yeah. If you're a little on the low budget this year, and can't go out and just buy a regular costume because you have no money and your only money is left for ramen noodles, I have no idea what I'm saying right now. But the point is, you need help making your own homemade costume right in your own lovely home, because you can't afford one, or you just don't like what you see out there, so you need help. Okay, now when I was younger, I was never allowed to go out and just buy a costume at the store. Only one year, I was allowed to buy my own costume. It was the Cinderella costume. Got the wand and the dress and the glass heels. Yeah, it was a good day. But the reason why I was never allowed to go out and just buy like my own costume that I saw in the store is because I was told I was only going to wear it one time just for that day, and it was pointless. Which my parents ended up being right, because I did only end up wearing that Cinderella maybe once, maybe twice. Maybe I wore it twice, but it did look pretty in my closet whenever I opened it up, and there it was, just Cinderella costume. But otherwise, every other year I had to DIY my own costumes, and let me just say, I did a pretty darn good job. And now when I look back, I actually like the fact that I was forced to make my own DIY costumes, because now I can possibly make a living out of it. I remember this one year I was starting to like run out of ideas, and so I decided I'll just settle to be like, you know, your typical superstar. And so I got all my superstar, what I could find to wear to be a superstar, but it wasn't working out. I wasn't really feeling it, but I was like, oh well, just 1 year, then we can wait again until next year. And then while in class, we had a little Halloween celebration. We have our little like goodie bags and everything, and inside we had chocolate, and we had glow in the dark fangs, like top and bottom. You just put it in, we like put it in and everything, you look like you had like fangs, and when you like glow in the dark, it looks so cool. And let me just tell you, I wore those things even after Halloween. I want to suck your blood. Okay. But then I was like, oh my gosh, instead of being like a superstar, I could be a punk rock monster. Punk rock superstar monster. You know what I mean? I was a punk rock superstar monster with fangs. So I had a ripped jean jacket, and I spray painted it punk rocky. I had jeans, and I spray painted my own hair all pink. I found quite a few things in my closet that I can make out of costumes. I've already chosen my costume, but you'll have to wait till Halloween to see what it is, and I love it. Let's see what I got out of my closet, and then it'll be your turn to add in the comments or Twitter or Instagram or wherever to show me what you guys picked out in your closet for your costume, if you have to. If you have no choice but to, and you can't buy it. Yeah. Okay. Roll the clips. I don't even need to do this because I dress up as a boy anyways on my other channel, link in the description, every week to every other week. Okay, alright, I'm gonna get serious now. Now we'll, okay, not really. Guys, if you, hey, can I get all your attention please? I'm having a major headache today, alright? And I just need all of you to just cooperate with me and not make any sudden noises or any singings. Okay? Because I just have a really major headache, and I would just be really appreciative if you guys could just tone it down a notch today, okay? Alright, can we turn all the blinds off, because it's just it's ruining my headache. Okay. I can't do it. Okay, Jezebel, can you please turn the blinds off? Thank you. Alright. And can we just sing as softly as we can today? Okay? Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh, yeah. Okay, give me a second. Oh, okay, wow. Sorry guys, it's just, whoa. Major headache. Okay, alright. I'm gonna keep the sunglasses on if you don't mind. Alright, 1, 2, 3. No! No. Softer. Softer. Okay. No. Okay, you know what? How about this? How about we all head over to the drama program for today and we watch how they perform, because we'll be performing with them in the play, so we're just gonna observe them in the play. Okay, let's go. Oye, why aren't you eating? You need to go strong bones. Plump yourself up. You're like a skinny little skeleton, okay? You need some meat on your bones, alright? Gana hai. Oi, you understand Hindi? Shabash. Okay. Gana, alright? Eat. Alright, I'm going to just get some desserts, alright? I'll be back. You like kulfi? I know you like kulfi. Alright, I'll be right back. Oh my god, good thing you're here. I'm having trouble trying to enter on my phone to Facebook. Oh, hey little man, how you doing? Hi there. Can you just show me real quick? I don't know. I'm trying to read this person. It's just, everything's just popping up and it's confusing. And my phone keeps freezing up and Facebook keeps sending me messages and I don't know how to respond to them, which I didn't even know you could do on your phone. Can you just stick around for a few seconds, alright? I need your help just to figure out how to do Facebook. Karen liked your photo. See, and I can't go on there. I don't know how to say Karen, seeing Karen liked my photo. Oh. Okay. Just hang on a second. I'm gonna go get my chicken in the oven, but I'll come back, alright? There's neighbors out here.
disapproval. We were born sick, you heard them say it. My church offers no absolutes. She tells me worship in the bedroom, the only heaven. Amen. Take me to church, I worship like
sacrifice your struggle. She sacrificed that money for cocaine. Coco, left hand, got 3 rings. That's brum brum. We up one. Bad bitch, she a savage. Take her to the mall and buy something. Why can't y'all recognize that we all came from sacrifice? 10 toes, yeah, you gotta stay down there. Just some known.
I make sacrifices.
Give you a hug, kiss, good night, alright? Let me give you a nice hug. Oh, alright. Good night, sweetheart. I love you. Alright, I'm gonna read the Bible, alright? You don't stay up too late, alright? Gotta get up early in the morning for church.
Cette fois c'était la dernière. Tu peux
croire que c'est qu'une crise, marque une dernière monde à l'envers. Moi je te disais pour te faire réagir seulement. Toi tu pensais rendez-vous, rendez-vous, rendez-vous au prochain règlement. Tout sera au prochain rêve.
Yeah, that's all I have for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys next time.